Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, YouTube? Errol here with High Road Comics. I have new comic book day haul, but before that I want to show you some of the older titles that I picked up. I don't even know where to start. You know what? I'm going to start here. So I did get Darth Vader number 25, complete my Vault 2 of Star Wars. Wow, it's a little bit all over the place. Spawn, going back and collecting some of the older ones. I got Spawn 286. Here I also have 288. Some of these Francisco Mantina covers are pretty BA. 287. I got this one that I already have plans for commission during SDCC. This is 285. And then, yep, that's it for the older titles. Oh wait, I got Cable and Deadpool, annual number 1, Rob Liefeld. I think he's pretty talented. And Rom. So that's it for older hauls. Oh wait, I got this one. First appearance, Riri Williams. First full appearance, yeah, Ironheart. Cannot wait. Alright. I got Queen of Bad Dreams, issue number 1. I think I gotta go back and get number 2. I have number 1, but it's a CBSI variant, and I don't want to open it. Do not want to open it. I got, I did not pay $56 for this. I got the 1 in 25 sketch variant of Major X number 1, 3rd printing. Gonna get this signed at Amazing. Well, I'm not gonna go, but I'm probably gonna go through El Rey Collectibles for comics. Check this one out. Can't believe I paid $10, but it's pretty fat. DC killed it this week with what should be, like, you know, graphic novels or trade paperbacks. But looking forward to it. I also got, man, I am all over the place. I apologize. Okay, let's go to some Marvel. Major X number 4, Reddit, my favorite. Lots of looking around. Got X23, number 12. This is the end. I know I was gonna say I wasn't gonna pull it, but it's the last one. And I just noticed that damaged. That's okay. That's what happens when it's not bagged and boarded when you buy it. Superior Spider-Man number 6. Spider-Man City at War number 3. It's just like the video game, I'm telling you. Punisher War Scrolls number 2. Thanos number 2. I read this one as well. I love it. I love the history of Gamora, early days of Gamora, and of course Thanos and what eventually will become the Black Order. Spider-Man and the League of Realms number 2. War of the Realms Giant Man number 2. Daredevil number 6. Great read. Chip Zdarsky, he had me at Marvel 2-in-1, and I've been buying his stuff ever since. Primo. I got some reprints, more reprints of course. I got Major X number 3, 2nd printing. The Amazing Spider-Man number 22. And what else? I think that's it. Oh, I did get this. Spawn 294. Yeah, that's it for Marvel. I know I had a Batman Detective Comics annual number 2 around here. Don't see it. Dark Red number 3. This is one of my favorite reads of the week as well. It actually dives back into the past. I don't want to spoil it. And then Amber Blake number 3. I noticed Amber Blake 1 hit Keep Collector's top 20. And yeah, I think that's it. Like I said, I was pretty sure that there was oh, here's another stack. Here you go. Thor number 13. Major X number 1, also third printing. So that sketch I showed you earlier was a 1 in 25. Right. Batman Detective Comics number 2, annual. Spawn 297. So I restarted Spawn from the beginning, and I love it. I'm excited to read and catch up all the way up to 300. Do you think I could do it before then? I think I can. And Batman Last Night on Earth. This is a DC Black Label, Snyder and Capullo. I'm actually really hyped on Capullo right now because of his return to Spawn, as well as Snyder helping write issue number 300. But look how thick it is. Look how thick it is. So yeah, it was a pretty big and expensive week for me. Right before payday, it didn't really work out too well for me. But you know what? YOLO, you only live once. Just as long as I'm not doing that all the time, I guess it's okay to splurge. Eventually, I do want to get back to my New Year's resolution of 20 pulls at a time. Or 20 titles on my pull at all times. So yeah, that's all I got. Please let me know in the comment section below what was your favorite read for the week. What are you looking forward to next week? And what do you think about my haul? Do you think I need to slow down? I do, but it doesn't care what I think. It's what you think. So that's all I got. I'll see you at the next stop. It's High Road Comics, and don't forget, take the high road.